Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into something that truly fascinates me. Research institutes. What are they? And more importantly, how do they shape our future? Research institutes are powerhouses of knowledge established for one sole purpose: doing research. These can range from centers focusing on natural sciences to those delving into the social sciences. Whether it's exploring the depths of the ocean or understanding human behavior, research institutes are at the forefront. Let's rewind to the early 18th century. Did you know that the first educational research institute was established by none other than Peter the Great in St. Petersburg? This wasn't just any institution. It combined linguistic, philosophical, and scientific education with an academy where graduates could continue their scientific inquiries. This idea was revolutionary because it embedded scientific research within a university structure for the first time in Europe. Fast forward to today, and there are over 14,000 research centers in the United States alone. The growth of universities as research hubs has fed into this number. More and more, as education becomes accessible to the masses, we see an increase in these scientific communities. But why should we care? Well, research institutes play a crucial role in addressing some of the world's most pressing issues. From environmental pollution to national defense, the research carried out in these institutes informs policies, innovates industries, and even shapes public opinion. And here's the kicker: the more we understand and support these institutions, the better equipped we are to handle future challenges. By advancing knowledge and fostering innovation, research institutes are not just shaping the future, they are helping us redefine it. So the next time you hear about a breakthrough in science or a new technological innovation, remember there's a high chance a research institute was behind it. Supporting and understanding these institutions isn't just about fostering science, it's about securing a better tomorrow. That's it for today. Stay curious, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.